Looking to mix things up? We researched dozens of the most popular whisks available today before purchasing 5 of the best to compare side by side. Our team of culinary experts spent hours in the kitchen cooking with these indispensable tools, analyzing important aspects like versatility, design, and ease of use. After mixing batters, whipping eggs, and emulsifying dressing, we offer our test results and unbiased opinions for these indispensable devices. Our comprehensive review provides an unparalleled level of examination, backed up by hours of actual cooking experience, to help you find the best whisk for your own kitchen. If you're in need of cooking utensils, our home kitchen experts have put spatulas, can openers, graters, and more to the test. We've also spent countless hours cooking up a storm to test cookware, bakeware, and kitchen appliances to help make your selection process an easier one. There are numerous options for cheap best whisks, each with unique features, advantages, and costs. I conducted a ton of research, read a ton of reviews, and put up a list of the top affordable best whisks from trustworthy manufacturers to help you make an informed choice. Following extensive investigation, I discovered that these products are quite beneficial for persons like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Links in the description box for each products mentioned. Number 1. Better Balloon Whisk. The design engineers at OXO always seem to be hard at work improving upon classic designs, and the OXO Good Grips 11 Better Balloon Whisk is no exception. This essential tool has the stiffest wires of any balloon-style model we tested, which results in superior performance from combining heavy batches of dry ingredients to whisking and aerating egg whites to emulsifying salad dressing. Ergonomics are always at the top of the list for OXO products, and this whisk portrays that feature wonderfully. The non-slip grip tapers so that the widest part rests comfortably against your palm, allowing you to easily pinch higher up on the neck for improved agility. When whipping, though more narrow than others we tested, the stiff wires of the classic balloon shape prohibit the better balloon from flexing and reaching into tight corners of saucepans. This utensil is lightweight and quick-moving, but it is still quite bulky for mixing in small bowls. Number 2. Amazon Basic Stainless Steel 3-Piece Wire Whisk Set. The Amazon Basic Stainless Steel 3-Piece Wire Whisk Set scored the highest overall in performance and is a clear winner for anyone whose highest priority is value. This 3-in-1 set won't break the bank and allows you to choose the proper size for the job at hand. The stainless steel wires are efficient and quick-moving, making any task a breeze. Like the OXO models we tested, these have similarly contoured handles that feature a sticky rubber grip. However, unlike the OXO options, the wires of the Amazon Basic set are not sealed with epoxy, where the tines meet the grip. Though this doesn't seem to present a problem when it comes to hand washing, we do wonder about water penetration into the grips under the higher pressure conditions of a dishwasher. And, even though they present an incredible value as a set. Number 3. OXO Good Grips 9 Better Silicone Whisk. The OXO Good Grips 9 Better Silicone Whisk is just that. A silicone version of our top-performing model from the same manufacturer. The slightly more petite 9-inch version is set up with 12 slightly stiffer silicone tines, resulting in improved performance over other, much more flexible models. It is ultra-lightweight, and the wires are adept at reaching into corners of a bowl to improve batter consistency. While stainless steel wires often make a racket when working in a mixing bowl, silicone tines offer a quieter experience even working whipped cream in a stainless steel bowl. This whipper is practically silent. It certainly comes down to user preference, but our testers feel that silicone simply doesn't rebound against the bowl, as well as stainless steel wires. The consequence is a slightly more sluggish whipping motion. Number 4. Coson Home Danish Dough Whisk Set of 2. The Danish dough whisk, or bratbisker, is a specialty mixer designed specifically to handle heavy doughs like those for biscuits, bread, or pasta. Although they may appear with a slight variation in form, the stiff thick wires twisted to form 3 tightening concentric loops are ubiquitous. The long wooden handles of the Coson Home Danish Dough Whisk Set of 2 are as functional as they are stylish, with the added length, giving the necessary leverage to cut through heavy, shaggy doughs with ease. Most importantly, the Coson comes as a set of 2, offering both a superior value and improved efficiency if you use them in tandem. Despite their odd appearance, these are a surprisingly popular take item, particularly among bakers and pasta makers. Unfortunately, they are really only good at one job. These will not whip, aerate. Number 5. Ouddy Silicone Balloon Whisk Set of 3. Like the set from Amazon Basics, the Ouddy Silicone Balloon Whisk set of 3 presents an opportunity to purchase 3 whisks for the price of 1. This silicone set of classic balloon whips includes 8, 10, and 12-inch sizes, offering a nice range to handle a variety of tasks. The stainless steel handles include hanging loops for drying, and thanks to a limited number of tines, these whisks are a cinch to clean. Unfortunately, the lack of time severely diminishes the working capacity of these utensils. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below to help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.